Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a luxury hair care product that's been making waves for its promises of rejuvenation and repair. We're talking about the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. This shampoo is designed specifically for damaged hair, aiming to restore strength and shine with each wash. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see what it's really about. The Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo comes in a sleek, elegant bottle that feels as luxurious as its price tag suggests. Its key promise is to help revive and repair damaged hair, which makes it an attractive option for those dealing with overprocessed or dry hair. The formula blends a mix of oils, plant extracts, and proteins, including Oribe's signature complex, which is meant to protect and strengthen hair while promoting a healthy shine. One of the standout ingredients here is cysteine complex, which helps to rebuild hair structure from within. Then there's amber extract, which not only adds a lovely floral scent, but also contributes to hair strength and elasticity. In addition, argan oil and macadamia nut oil are incorporated to hydrate and add a silky smooth finish. It's a blend that looks to cover all the bases when it comes to damage recovery, moisture, and long-lasting shine. Now let's get into how it actually performs. When I first applied it, I noticed that the shampoo lathers quite well, which is always a good sign for a product claiming to be hydrating. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped or overly dry, which can sometimes happen with shampoos aimed at repairing. The scent is a delicate, floral fragrance that's not too overpowering, making it a pleasant experience every time you wash your hair. In terms of real-world usage, this shampoo is ideal for anyone with hair that's seen better days, whether it's from color treatments, heat styling, or environmental stressors. I used it consistently for a few weeks, and while I didn't expect a drastic transformation overnight, I did notice that my hair felt softer and had more of a healthy bounce after each wash. It didn't weigh my hair down, which can sometimes happen with products that claim to add moisture. As for the pros, I'd say it's a high-quality shampoo with a lovely fragrance that also delivers on its promise of strengthening. The texture is creamy and hydrating, and it works well even on my more fragile hair, leaving it feeling smooth without frizz. The shine is noticeable, especially in sunlight. My hair looked like it had more life after using this consistently. On the flip side, the biggest con here is the price. Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo is definitely on the expensive side, and while it's a fantastic product, I do wonder if there are equally effective alternatives out there for a fraction of the cost. While the formula is impressive, I can't ignore that it may not fit everyone's budget. When it comes to value for money, this one is tricky. If you're someone who's looking for a premium shampoo that offers both performance and indulgence, then the price might be justified. You're paying not just for the product itself, but the luxurious experience that Oribe delivers. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you may find that there are other shampoos out there that provide similar hydration and repair at a much lower cost. Now, how does this stack up against other high-end repair shampoos? Well, brands like Kerastase and Briogeo offer shampoos with comparable performance in terms of moisture and hair health, though Oribe's formulation does feel more indulgent with its luxurious scent and packaging. But if you're looking for something that hits all the marks of repairing and nourishing at a better price point, Briogeo's Be Gentle, Be Kind shampoo might be a solid alternative. Let's talk about build quality for a second. The packaging is definitely top-notch, sturdy, and visually appealing. However, the bottle itself is on the larger side, which might not be ideal for travel or smaller shower spaces. As for the longevity, you don't need to use a ton of product at once, so it lasts quite a while, making it worth the investment in that sense. Unfortunately, I haven't had any direct interaction with Oribe's customer service, but the brand does have a solid reputation for handling customer inquiries in a timely manner. To wrap it up, the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo is a fantastic product for anyone dealing with damaged hair. It delivers on its promises of strengthening and shine, and if you're willing to invest in a high-end product, it could very well become your go-to. But if you're looking to stick to a budget, there are alternatives that can provide similar benefits without the high price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description box if you're interested in trying the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. And if you've used it already, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.